That is one top-looking airplane. All right, ready to rock and roll. Positioning his A-10 for a pass down the runway, where he will perform a double aileron roll at show center. The A-10 versatile a wide variety of modern weapons, including maverick missiles, unguided and satellite-guided bombs, cluster bombs, rockets, 30mm bullets, and A-9 air-to-air missiles. All of these weapons have been used to attack enemy forces in Iraq, Bosnia, Kosovo, and Afghanistan. Captain Green is now repositioning his aircraft to perform a level 360-degree IG turn. It's the A-10's quick turn rate and small turn radius, which enables it to work effectively over the battlefield, even under marginal weather conditions. Captain Green just completed that turn at only 1,400 feet on the battlefield. This capability allows the pilot to employ his weapons and then turn quickly to stay outside of enemy air defenses. During World War II, the original Flying Tigers, led by General Claire Chanel, painted teeth on the noses of their P-40 Warthogs to strike fear into the hearts of the enemy. Today, the 23rd Fighter Group, comprised of 2 A-10 squadrons, keeps this proud tradition alive. Captain Green is now performing a takeout maneuver that's designed to make life very difficult for enemy aircraft gunners. Because it frequently changes direction, airspeed, and altitude, the A-10 becomes a difficult target to shoot. The Warthog has a well-earned reputation for strength and striking power, a reputation earned in Kosovo, Afghanistan, and Iraq, where A-10s destroy thousands of enemy armored vehicles, artillery sites, Scud missiles, and even registered 2 air-to-air kills. Today, that legacy continues to grow. A-10's armed with state-of-the-art targeting pods and GPS-guided bombs continue to fly missions in support of American and coalition efforts all over the world. Now from your right, Captain Green and a 4-point goal, displaying the crisp handling characteristics of the A-10. If you're interested in joining today's premier aerospace team, please stop by and talk with necessary employees at the recruiter tent directly after our performance. And now, on behalf of the commander of Air Combat Command, General Tom D.W. Porter, we thank you for being with us today. Captain Green, myself, as well as our superb maintenance crew, will be happy to answer any questions you might have about the A-10 Air Combat Command or your United States Air Force. Thank you and have a great day.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for the A-10 Thunderbolt 2 flight demonstration. Wow! That is one incredible aircraft. We want to let you know that in just a few moments, you can meet the captain of the A-10. He's going to be, as soon as he parks the plane, he's going to come up to the crowd line. If you'd like to come by and meet, greet, shake his hand, get it on.